authentic kitchen. Today I am going to make mouth-watering Parwal curry. It's a very tasty and delicious dish. You can serve it with your favorite rice or roti. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel and surely press on like button. Let's see the ingredients. 200 gram parwals. Peel the parwals like this way and cut both sides so the spices can be inserted into it. Like this way you have to cut the all parwals. Here I have taken 1 cup yogurt, 2 medium sized onion paste, 4 to 5 teaspoon refined oil, 1 teaspoon ghee, here 3 green cardamom, half teaspoon cumin seeds, pinch of hing, 2 cinnamon sticks and 2 bay leaves. Other spices are half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric, 1/3 teaspoon sugar, salt to taste. Let's start cooking. Pour oil into the pan. Let it be heated. Add parwals. Now I am going to add turmeric and salt. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes till its color turn into light brown color. Already it has done. Now shift it in a bowl. In the same pan, add all whole spices. Fry it for a few seconds. So nice smell is coming out. Now add ginger garlic paste, chopped green chilies. Fry it for 1 minute. Now add onion paste. Fry it till its raw flavor is gone. Make sure you will not over fry it. Already it has done. Now I am going to add all dry spices one by one. Add red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric. Fry it for another few seconds. Now add yogurt. Already I have whisked yogurt very gently. Cook it on low flame and continuously you have to stir it, otherwise yogurt will be separated from the spices and your dish will be completely spoiled. At this stage, keep your gas on medium flame and continuously you have to stir it. You can see that oil is separated from the spices. It means spices are properly cooked. Now add water. Stir it. Add salt. Add sugar. If you don't want to add sugar, you may not, but a little bit sugar adds a nice taste to your dish. Mix it. At the point of time, put fried parwals into this. Stir it. Now cover the pan with lid for 4 to 5 minutes. At this stage, keep your gas on low flame. Open the lid. You can see that it gives a shiny look. Cook it for another 1 minute. Now add garam masala. Stir it and cook it for 30 seconds. At the end, add coriander leaves. and 1 teaspoon ghee. Parwal curry is prepared. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel and surely press on like button. Thank you.